everyone, we're going to do a video here on strawberry basil lemonade in our Everything Tastes Better in a Mason Jar video series. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice and pour it into our half-gallon mason jar that we'll be making the lemonade in. Then we're going to take a half a cup of sugar. If you like your lemonade sweeter, you can add 3/4 or even up to a cup of sugar, just depending on your taste. Give that a stir and let the sugar dissolve. Then we're going to take our 8 to 10 cut up strawberries and add those to our mason jar. And about 10 to 15 basil leaves we're going to add as well. And then in my lemonade, I always like some fresh lemon slices. We'll save some to garnish in our glass. And then all we're going to do is fill the rest of the half-gallon mason jar with some fresh water. And then we'll give this a good stir. Then I normally like to put the lid on, put this in the fridge, and let it sit for 3 to 4 hours for the flavors to blend really well. Okay, and after this is set for 3 or 4 hours in the fridge, just pour yourself a glass, and we can garnish with a couple lemon slices and some basil. And that's your strawberry basil lemonade.